This is Burton, and he's a piggy. He'll eat this whole cube by himself, and not share with anybody else. Come over here. Get away from the fish. Feed everybody else too.
Whoa.
He's like, nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. What, Skittles? Come over here. Where are you going, Burton? Oh. And there he goes with the cube.
Destructor of shrimp.
Pretty much. He just devoured that whole cube. Cube number 2. Nom 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 nom. No, he's not a shark. Okay, come on. Come on, you know you want a cube.
I'm not hungry.
I'm
going in my corner.
No, he's probably going to come out the other way. There he goes. Yep, I see him. Okay, everybody else is going to get this cube. I'm waiting for him to pop back up, like, cube number 3. See him, oh, he's getting something. And there goes Marley. Sitting right there, I see his tail. He's gonna pop out and grab somebody. No, Merlin, you're not very smart. Yeah, he's right there. He's gonna bite you. Oh, there's his tail. There he is. Nope. There's cube number 3.